Today is Teach You Compare Lengths tool. It is used to measure and record line length. Click on the line to display the length of the Compare Lengths table. Click Record to display the lengths on the line. Click Start Point Line and point to measure part of the line length. Left-click to lines to calculate the total length of the two lines. Left-click on one line. Right-click. Left-click on the other line. You can compare the lengths of the two lines. Click Shift to toggle the function. You can measure the distance between 2 points. Thanks for watching.